This is our model number 15, low cost programmable logic control PLC for industrial automation in repetitive nature of work. PLCs are in fact expensive. Here what we have tried to do is a low cost PLC using simple microcontroller and C language. Normally the PLCs offered by Siemens, Allen Bradley, they have their own dedicated software and a program has to be written in a ladder diagram. But in this case we have written the program in C language, which is called embedded C, and which is dumped into the microcontroller for a particular application like a timed sequential operation. We'll see this, and once we switch on this we'll see that it says it's a project where we have a PLC. It says A, S or M. A means automatic. We have three switches here. One is a automatic switch, one is setting switch, one is the manual switch. Now once we operate the automatic switch, the time which has been set before, the lamps will start glowing one after another based on that time. Now for example, once I put this switch, the first lamp starts glowing, and then we find the period 1 starts counting down from 30 seconds down to other timing. It will, after the 30-second time is over, it will switch over to the next and next, so on. That is how the sequential operation based on certain timing is being achieved. We can see how the operation switches over to the second relay after the time passes. Now the time is about 11 seconds, 10 seconds, go on changing, and once it comes to 0, it will switch over to the next, and we'll see that the period, that means the function number 2, is to be operated. So this is what is the automatic mode. Now you can see it has switched over to the next one, and this is how it goes on changing from one to the other. But if you would like to go over for a situation where we would like to go for maybe choosing our own time, we can do that also. Now by pressing the setting mode, is the setting mode. Once I go to the setting mode, it tells me that the period number 1 was for 30 seconds, which is as per the automatic setting. We can go on reducing this or increasing this. I can go on reducing this. We are now reducing this time. Now supposing I keep it pressed, I can go on reducing to say 11 seconds. Now I operate this. The operation 2 also is 30 seconds. What I can do is I can also reduce this or increase this depending on the number of switches. Now this is 15 seconds. Now operation 3, let it be 30 seconds, and operation 4, let it be 4 seconds, 30 seconds, and now it starts. You see, it starts from 11 seconds now and counts down. After it, the time is over, it will switch over to the next. This is what is the timing operation as per my requirement. Such kind of sequential operation is very frequently used in industries, and here we can see how the timing has changed. We have used the relays for the lamps, and the connections are as per the diagram, and we have also manual switch. By once we go over to the manual operation, we can operate manually also any lamp we feel like. We have a microcontroller, then we have a display, some relay driver, and this is how this works in a very simple method of low cost PLC, programmable logic control. Thank you.